is our Q&A. And we are... So, what's your name?
Clyde again.
Clyde. What's your age? How old are you?
5.
And
5.
You're not 10.
I get it.
I'm 8.
And then you just told me.
I'm 8. And you're 5. I'm 8 and you're 5. When is your birthday?
I don't know.
January 24. 2020. January 24, 2020.
Fight! What?
2020.
Now what?
My birthday is October 24, 2017. Yeah.
Ahaha. You said birth wrong.
My birthday is super long. What's wrong with that?
I can't. Your birthday is super long, so nobody can celebrate your birthday. Put your hands up.
Okay, Clyde. So where were you from? Where are you from?
Jensen.
You're from Jensen, Philippines, diba? Okay, so what's your favorite character from K-pop Demon Hunters?
Susie.
K-pop Demon Hunters. What about Dandy's World?
What's that? Who's his name? The walk dog.
Yeah, Pebble.
Pibble. I say Pibble.
Okay, so what about Sprunky?
Miss what you doing? Miss
Mine-
and tiki. I did a TV Spanky and one bat. That's my
Mine's is Wenda. So what's my favorite character is in my favorite character in Dandy's World is Shelly, diba? My favorite character in K-pop Demon Hunters is Romy. So let's see. What about Smiling Critters? Mine just Catnap.
nothing.
Okay.
Oh, no.
What about
Scary.
what's your favorite alphabet?
My name?
KLYDE?
Yeah.
What about what's your favorite year? What's your favorite year
Huh?
from the past? What's your favorite year from the past?
Year?
Year. Year.
What's that? Yeah, I don't
Like
like.
2021, 2022.
I don't like. I don't want.
You just want 2020, diba? That's your... Because...
I don't have school. This year don't have school. Year don't have school. That's my favorite.
2022. Okay, 2022. And what's your favorite? What's your favorite
Pimple.
What's your birthday? Maybe January 24, 2020. Mine is October 20. Mine's just October 24, 2017. Clyde, I'm gonna tell you something. Diba 6 times 7 is...
6, 7.
6 times 7 27 is 42. And 2025 ngayon. Yes.
6, 7.
In 40, how many years in 42 years? What is the year in 42 years? What is the year in 42 years?
I don't know.
20?
76, 7.
26, 7. Well, that's the end of our Q&A. Don't be crazy. This is the end of our video. Please click the subscribe and bell button. I sure you have a good day. And please be sure. Goodbye! Kill.